Hey, it's Anissa. Do you remember the cover blubber? It was one of our best-selling items that sold out so fast. Well, we found something almost exactly like it. It's the stretchable food and container covers. Let's take a look.
Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the cover blubber, the super stretchy food saver. Now this is your plastic wrap alternative because it can be used to cover different sized bowls, Tupperwares, jars, even cups, and you can use it directly on the food itself. Did you know that some plastic wraps aren't food safe? They don't recommend to put it directly on the food. But this stuff is BPA free and FDA approved, which means you can put it on almost any food you can think of, like apples, pineapples, bananas, cucumbers, and much more. Cover blubber is so stretchy, it can conform to almost any size fruits or veggies. And the fun doesn't stop there because it can also cover any container, like mixing bowls or prep bowls, Tupperware for leftovers, and even those jars that you may have misplaced the lids to. These are so much easier than hunting for those misplaced lids in those messy cabinets. Cover blubber is eco-friendly because you can reuse it over and over again by simply washing it in the sink. Now this comes in a 4-pack of various different sizes, and you're gonna have so much fun thinking of different ways to use this. And remember, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site today.
I still have my original cover blubbers and I want more, so I can't wait to buy this set. Couple things I want to point out. You may notice that the colors are different than what you saw in the video, and they may vary. The other things, when you get them, they're going to be stuck together, and when you pull them apart, you might notice that they come out of shape, but don't worry, they'll work just fine. Now the best thing is our super low price, so when you head on over to our site, make sure you buy a bunch of these because you're going to love them. Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have a real treat for you. We have the MySound wireless TV headset. This happens to be one of QVC's best-selling items and one of our most requested items. Now what it is it's a set of headphones that allows a person to listen to the TV at their own volume while another person can listen to the TV freely. This is the Elite version, which features a charging base for the headphones and this gorgeous alarm clock with extra large digital numbers, and it's also a radio. Now this is a great item that almost everybody can use. I like to stay up late and watch TV. I can wear these and not disturb anyone else. Plus, you can actually walk around with this. So maybe you're cleaning your house, you can keep these in your ears and still keep track of your TV show no matter where you are in your house. Now I mentioned this is one of our most requested items, and that's because we have a lot of customers who are hard of hearing and they don't want to disturb their partners. With this, they can listen and crank up the volume, which is right on the headphones, and they can listen as loud as they want, again, and their partner can listen to the TV at regular sound. It also has this tone button that has 3 different settings: extra bass, extra treble, or flat. Now I really didn't notice a huge difference, but it is there if you want to use it. One thing I want to point out is this is very lightweight. It fits comfortably in your ears, so you can listen to it for hours on end. Setup is easy. They give you everything you need. You have the transmitter, which you can place on the TV. It even has some 3M sticky tape, so you can place it on the back of the TV. And then there are instructions for pairing it. It's super easy, and we even have an additional video on our site to guide you through it. Now to hook up the audio, there's actually 3 ways to do it. You can use the included optical or auxiliary cords, or if you choose, you can use your own RCA cables. If you want to watch TV without disturbing others, you have to get this set. Now I have to tell you, QVC sells the same set for $100. Now you're not going to pay anywhere near that. In fact, you can buy 3 sets for less than the QVC price from PulseTV. So head on over to our site and grab a couple kits today. Hey, it's Anissa, and we have an amazing deal on this folding lap desk. Now, folding lap desks are great for working on, doing homework, eating, crafting, so many different things. And this is a great one for both kids and adults. But what sets this one apart from others is all the features. First, it's got a 4-port USB hub. Now, when you use the included cord and plug it into your laptop, you can use these hubs to power a mouse, a keyboard, or other USB accessories for your computer. Now what's really cool, you're not just getting this lap desk, included are two really cool accessories. First, you get a USB light, and then if it's hot, plug in the fan and you're gonna cool off instantly. One thing I noticed when you're positioning the fan to where you want it, it can go off and on, so you just might need to fill with it to keep it on. Now the tray at the top is great for holding tablets up to 10 inches, so you can use an iPad or an Android tablet, but you can even use it for your phones. And then you're gonna love the cup holder to prevent spills. Now this is a foldable lap desk. The legs fold in, so it makes it easy to store. You can store it under a bed, under a couch, but what sets this one apart is the quality of the legs. They fold easily, and it makes it for a very sturdy desk. Another thing that's great is you can use this in 3 different ways: a traditional lap desk, a sitting desk, or as a standing desk. Now lap desk prices are all over the place, but one with all these features and as high quality as this can run you up to $50, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. In fact, our price is so good, I can't even say it online. So head on over to PulseTV, learn more about this, and grab one today.
Hi, I'm Jazz from PulseTV, and today I want to show you the Nano Beam rechargeable flashlight. Just look at how small and look at how thin it is. But don't let its small size fool you, because this thing is powerful. I took it into the woods in the pitch black at night, and when I turned it on, I couldn't believe it. It was so bright, I could see everything around me. And the Nano Beam has so many features. In the front is a quick task light that lets you find something in the dark. And the star of the show is this front wide-angle beam. It has 3 different brightness settings, and at the last one, it will light up an entire room. It's amazing what this small thing can do. And it also has emergency features. At the end of the cycle, you'll find an emergency red strobe. And here's the secret. If you double click at any mode, you'll see a white strobe. And all you have to do is long press to shut it off. That way you don't have to cycle through all of them. And this is not cheap plastic. This is made of durable aluminum with a metal pocket clip. It can clip to a belt, a backpack, or even a hat, turning it into a headlamp. I wish you could be here to feel just how light the Nano Beam is. It weighs just as much as 6 quarters. And that makes it so light and easy to bring with you in your bug out bag, in your purse, to camping, anywhere. With the Nano Beam, you can have a quality light without taking up any space. It also has a rechargeable battery that lasts for hours, so you don't have to go searching for AA's. You can use the magnet on the back to stick to metal surfaces for hands-free use. For a flashlight with this many features at this low price, you have to check it out and add it to your cart at PulseTV today.
Hey, it's Anissa, and today we have for you the Celeste rechargeable touch lamp. Now this is a great lamp to add to your home. If you've ever gone to fine dining restaurants, you'll see touch lamps there. They've replaced candles with this. It's more elegant and safer. Now why I like this is it's loaded with features. First, you have 3 different color temperatures. You've got warm, cool, or daylight, and you can use each mode with a light tap on the switch. You can even control the brightness of each color level. By simply holding your finger down on the button, it will either dim to a lower level or brighten to a higher level or somewhere in between. You're gonna love that it remembers the last brightness setting, so you can set it and forget it. This is completely cordless. That's because it's got a rechargeable battery inside, so you can place this almost anywhere. And the gold finish is truly elegant and will enhance any decor. You can use this just about anywhere. On a nightstand, end table, even your dining room table. Me, I love this on my entryway table. It's so welcoming to my guests. Now this item is really built solid. It's not made of cheap plastic. The base is metal, so it's going to last a long time. Now we have reviewed a lot of touch lamps in the past. This one is my favorite. It's pure elegance and our price is unmatched. Plus when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to PulseTV and pick up a couple today. Hey, it's Anissa and Jazz, and today we have for you a tremendous deal on this men's digital watch. You know, this looks like brands like Invictus, Nautica, or G-Force.
It has a premium look at a bargain price. And let me tell you, it is full of features. Not only can it tell the time, it also has a full calendar and an alarm.
And you know what? The alarm actually has a snooze.
And here's another unique function. It has an hourly chime.
Wow, that's great because you know what? If you have to take pills, it'll remind you.
Or drink water.
Or, hey, to get up from your seat. And what I really love is the large digital display. When you're my age, being able to see the numbers is really important.
And with this watch, you can see in the dark really well too, with an LED backlight. And it's customizable with multiple colors.
Now also, it's got large buttons, so it's easy to do all the different functions. And I know guys, you have bigger fingers, you're not gonna have a problem with that. It even has a stopwatch. This is loaded with features, but most of all, it looks great.
Obviously, this is a men's watch, but did you know that there's a growing trend where women are wearing watches like this?
You know, it makes sense.
I gave this to my brother, and he's received a ton of compliments. No one knows how much I really paid for it except for us.
Wow, you too can get this great deal by heading over to PulseTV.com. Hey, it's Anissa and Jazz. Today we're bringing you this cordless power screwdriver set.
It has 16 pieces, including flat, Phillips, and even hex bits.
Now that's great for putting furniture together. I actually love this.
And what's special about this is that it transforms
into a pistol grip. Now I wish I had this last week when I was putting together all this furniture. And it even has
a drill bit.
Now that's great for all kinds of projects, even hanging pictures.
What I love the most about this, it has this special piece that can hold any of your other bits.
Yeah, so this is truly functional and loaded with features, but it's powerful for the size that it is.
And best of all, it's cordless. It has a rechargeable battery and an included USB-C cord. Plus, it even has a light.
And that's great for getting into tight spaces you can really see. But I love this because it's small, compact, easy to store. It's so much easier than dragging out that big, heavy drill.
Or juggling a flashlight and a screwdriver.
Yeah. Best of all is our super low price.
And you can get it at Pulse TV today.
Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you the magnetic phone mount for screens. I am thrilled to have this phone mount. About a year ago, I got a new car and I have been searching for a phone mount to fit it. This is the first phone mount for modern cars. Let me explain. All the new cars have these large screens. This hooks onto it very easily. You just put it on the corner and you're not using up valuable space like your car cup holder. Now here's a little bit of a tip. This isn't just for cars. You can actually put this on your computer screen. You can tilt this or rotate it to any angle that you want. Now using this is so easy. If you have an iPhone, it has a MagSafe backing. It automatically attaches to the ringed area. Don't have an iPhone? They've thought of everything. They give you a magnetic ring that you can attach to your phone or case. And that's the nice thing about this. This will work even with a case. Now, let's talk about the magnet strength. It's super strong. It's the strongest on the market, so you're not gonna worry about your phone flying off. It's going to stay put even on the roughest roads. If you have a newer car and are frustrated with trying to find the right phone mount, look no further. We have it here and we have a tremendous price on it. Head on over to Pulse TV and grab yours today.
Hey, it's Jazz, and today I want to show you some really cool headphones. These are open ear wireless headphones, and let me show you what makes them different. Other headsets have an ear cup that completely encapsulates the ear and blocks out all the noise. But this new design has an open headset where you can hear everything around you. As you can see, the speaker actually is floating above your ear cup so that there's space around it that allows you to hear what's going on around you. If you travel alone or if you live with people who need you, like children or seniors, this is absolutely perfect because you don't have to sacrifice listening to your podcasts or your music. You can still enjoy those things while being fully aware of your surroundings and being able to hear if someone calls your name or if there's approaching danger. You'll always be able to hear the ambient noise around you, whether you're taking a stroll or you're working out or taking public transportation. Now, these are wireless headphones, which means that they connect to your phone through Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about where your phone is. In fact, you can leave it in your pocket because it also has media control right on the ear to be able to control play, pause, set your volume, or change your tracks. And these are so lightweight and comfortable to wear, you'll barely remember that you have them on. And they're water resistant and sweat proof. So even if it says that it's gonna rain, you can still enjoy your day. And the battery life is so impressive. It has up to 36 hours of runtime, and the recharge is super fast too, with an included USB-C cord. This technology is so new that right now you'll find headsets like this for up to $300, but you won't find it for anything close to that here at PulseTV. We take care of you with full features and this gorgeous gift box. So why don't you head on down to PulseTV and buy yours today?
Hey, it's Anissa. Today we're bringing you the clutter-free car charger with retractable cord. Now this is unique for a few reasons. First, you can actually charge 3 items at once. And we're not talking just a phone. You can charge an iPad, you can charge an Android phone, a tablet. But what I really love about this is the retractable cord. It really reduces all that cord clutter in your car. When you need it, you just pull it out, retract it back in. Woo! No more cords. Now the other thing I like about this is it plugs into the lighter socket. So no more having to worry about, can I charge my phone? You can with this. Now this is a powerful charger. Using the USB-C cord or output, it will charge at double time. The traditional one is a little bit slower, but still gets the job done. Now, if you need to have a way to charge all your electronics while in your car, this is it. And we have a great price, so head on over to PulseTV and grab your charger today.